Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. We are playing with the cleaning future of my China laser welder.
Keep going on. Alright, gentlemen. So I set up the unit for cleaning. So with this particular machine, what I have to do, I have to switch the nozzle and replace this lens to a concave lens. Okay. Now, then obviously I have to change all the parameters over here. Jump to cleaning, and let's see. Oh, I have to get the clamp. Let's see how this boy works. Now what you see, that's the dual axis galvo. Look, all this brass powder or what the hell left over here. Now I can change this. Let's go return. You see this parameter over here. Let's just see in this one. It's like a disco. Okay, let's make another one. Let's do this. But it's not shabby either. Look at the rust. Let me sweep this off. Woo, it stinks. This is one of the other reason I choose this gun, because if I want to clean, I don't want to play around. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's switch to another type. Just I can entertain you guys. We tried this one. Let's see what this one is gonna do. Not too shabby either. The whole idea is you have to keep a little distance, because I don't want to engrave this plate, I want to clean it, right? When I go off the table, I have a lot of paint on my, the plate. I have a lot of paint over there, look. This is quite large. It's not hot. Absolutely not hot. And this is just more clean than the rest of them, but I did not engrave it. I kept quite a lot of distance. Let me try to find some other piece of steel, something. We can toss it on the ground. Rusty one. It's not quite rusted. On the yard I have a bunch of them, but okay, that's a good candidate. It's a small piece, but it's a good candidate. Look. So I'm maybe 2 feet away. I'm not even sure I have to keep it that long period of time. Literally a couple of seconds, but depends how hot roller job I wanna do. And it's not hot. Warm, but not hot. Now obviously I can do weld bead cleaning as well with this unit, just like the other one, because it's 4-in-1. It cuts welds, then bead cleaning, weld bead cleaning, or real cleaning. This is the real cleaning. It's quite entertaining in my opinion. Oh, yesterday I screwed up my back. And yeah, I have the oxyacetylene sitting over here. I'm not worried about that because this is a very divergent beam. It's not, I would be able to clean the freaking paints, and it's full of gas. I'm not gonna do it because it's a rental challenge. How crazy is this? Maybe I was out of focus, I don't know. Let's do another. So it's quick, and I can do this for even farther away. I just have to crank up the power. Para number 2, 3, 4, 5. If I hit it, then it's gonna give me the, but I'm in the number 1, I'm very fine, and I like this one best, this guy. Let me find another rusty piece. Because somehow rusty a little bit, not rust, too rusty. Then let's hit it. I don't even need to do so many runs, so this one cleans the faster out of any of them. So 2 passes, done. More rusty parts. Come on. Oh, here's something. Some leftover. The guys didn't toss it to the trash. It's funny. I'm playing like a kid in the park. It's so cool. Bingo. How crazy is that? So I think I have 8 welding profiles when I want to weld and stuff like that. And let's see how many cleaning profiles. 1, 2, 3, it's 4, 11, 10 cleaning profiles. I didn't check this one. Let me find another piece, something. Not that rusty, but rusty. Now, you know what's funny thing? You can hunt the flies and stuff like that. And you can do even more. Okay, which one? Oh, cool, huh? But we're gonna do a little experiment over here. Okay, new experiment. Got a piece of paper and a piece of metal. The metal is not really rusted, you just get a oxidation and a tiny little bit of rust. Very minimal. Alright. Let's hit it. It takes some time to burn the paper, right? But the scale, it's gone almost instantly. Yeah, let me put it down. I'm gonna flip this. Well, it's not rusted. Let me find something rusted. Here's a rusted piece. Okay. So again. Rust is gone, paper is still there. As I showed you, I can burn the paper, obviously. Now look. Okay, so experiment keep going on. No paper, no vegetation gets hurt today. How crazy is that?
If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. It means a lot and helps the channel grow. In the next video, we are going to weld with this China welder. Thank you for watching. See you at the next.
Okay, so with this, today's experience is done.